This is the KastKing 3600 waterproof tackle box or tackle tray. First glance, this thing is pretty sharp looking. Do a quick measurement for you, so you see how long it is. Looks like it's just over, it's like 10.75 inches in length, just over 7 inches. It's like 7 1/8 inch width, with a depth of 1 5/8 inches. So it's got this single clip that kind of pops into place, and then this looks like a silicone ring around the outside, so that must be how it keeps it waterproof. It's nice that this is just one piece. You don't have to deal with two different ones every time you want to open it. And also, it's got these, all of these parts in here are adjustable, so you can, make them however big or small that you want. And then obviously, you buy multiple of these and you can stack them up. I really like it though. It's quality is great. I highly recommend them.